Hi, welcome to this channel, and today let's go ahead and learn how you can change your Fitbit band with another one. So here, as you guys can see, that we have an additional band that we have received from the box. Now if you see that your current band which you're using, it either it's got teared, or it's not really placing well, or if it has any problem, you can literally change it. Or let's say you have another band which is more stylish or more dynamic than this one, you can literally change this. Now to change this band, the first work you want to do, you have to work right there. Now you don't have to really take it out like that. All you have to do, just go ahead and use your thumb and just go ahead and just push it like that, and just simply take this out, and then your band will be extracted right out of your watch. Now if you just go ahead and leave it here, and if you want to plug another one, all you have to do, you don't have to do anything, just make sure you're just placing in the right way, or you should follow the right direction here. Just go ahead and put it in there just like that, and then automatically your band will be attached with your watch just like that. So now this is really pretty quick and easy. This is how you can change your band with your Fitbit watch, and this is how you can do it. Hope you find this video useful, guys. If you think so, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.